All right, you guys, so we have to make a run to Lowe's. So we're gonna go to Lowe's or the hardware store and grab a slip. You said we had to get a slip, right, or something?
I'm gonna sit on all this stuff.
They always complain. It's just hand sanitizer and a book
But
and a charger and a pen and a receipt and a straw.
I don't want it on my butt. I don't want hand sanitizer on my butt. Go in your hands.
It's only 5 things.
Go in your hands, not your butt.
People always complain. Just get in the car. Anyway, you said we gotta get a slip. What is it?
No.
Okay, well, I guess we'll see when we get there. All right, so next time you see me, we'll be at the store. So we're here at Lowe's now. So I'm gonna take you inside, and we're here at Lowe's. We're gonna take you inside. We're gonna get whatever it is that we need. I have to put my glasses on because guess what? Your girl can't see. I actually need glasses to drive, so. I know you probably like, sometimes I see her with glasses, sometimes I don't. Does she need glasses? Does she not need glasses? I need glasses to see long distance. I got my nephew here with me. Where you at, nephew? He was so pressed to make a big debut. Put your mask on. Okay. Alrighty. Let me turn the camera around so you guys can see. It's down this way, which is plumbing. Oh, I wasn't sure. You like Home Depot. I don't mind Home Depot.
We are committed to your safety while visiting our store. We continue to resupply our store.
In case you're wondering what I want for Christmas. I know, because I'm showing them where we're going.
We appreciate you visiting Mom and look forward to seeing you again soon.
In case you want to know what I want for Christmas, it'll definitely be tools.
Tools?
Yeah. I probably want that for the next couple of years. Oh no, you wanted that's right, fittings. Now that's just disrespectful. Oh gosh. Jesus, I got splinters all in my tush.
You want to sit on it?
Yeah, definitely poking me in my booty. It's an iPhone. XR.
A bathroom sink is 1 1/4. Kitchen sink is 1 1/2. They're missing all the taps. They're missing all the threads. They're supposed to come together. Trap adapter. They should come together. All one piece.
The adapter?
No, the screw. This part. Somebody took them all off.
Why would they do that?
Stealing.
Stealing. Let me see. It looks like there's more boxes down here. Of something. No, these are just symbols.
Okay.
They're like clothes boxes of something.
See, they come with the nut and everything, but none
Oh,
of
yeah.
these have it.
Sure is. Oh, and it says with that. Here goes one.
Yep, we got it. Yep, see, that's inside. So this fits inside the pipe. Inside the pipe. This fits on the outside. We want the one on the outside.
Oh, okay, gotcha. So these are not the same. They lied.
They're not the same. One goes on. Yeah, they're in the wrong box.
They in the wrong box. Gotcha. I look like I've been doing some work, don't I? Yeah. I've been working. You see that? It looks like you've been working. Okay, so we had to make another stop. Now we're at Ferguson's warehouse, contractor warehouse. Let's see. Where'd the old man go? Where you go? Mari. Where you at, baby? I lost everybody.
Okay, I like this laptop at the metal.
Hmm?
So this is what I'm looking for, but I want the metal. And this is it. I mean, this is it. Okay, we're good. So, when you come out the wall, you're gonna go come out the wall, put a little piece in, come down, put this on, bring your pipe down, put a piece of pipe all the way up, put the converter on, like this guy here. You're ready for a plastic one. Put a piece on top of that, boom, and that goes right up onto your, then when you put it together, this piece comes off. So you have all one piece. When you get ready to clean your trap, you unscrew it from the sink drain or from the drain from the garbage disposal. Up here, up on this piece, this goes to the drain on the garbage disposal. You unscrew that, and that piece, the stick and everything comes straight down, and you clean it out, put it back, put it straight back on, put it straight, slide it straight back up onto the garbage disposal truck, and you're done.
Okay.
So not a whole bunch of crossing and craziness, and straight.
Okay.
Straight as possible. See, this is going right and left. You just gotta
Go
measure.
right or left.
Yeah. And your golf disposal, twist to so you can line up.
So that's all we need.
That's all we need.
And now we don't need those caps no more because you got the ink stock.
Oh, I didn't need that.
You gonna put it back?
$5.
$5. How much is this stuff? It ain't got no prices on it.
Nope.
Probably be about $50.
Nah, retail stuff.
Really?
This is plumbing stuff.
Right. Plums don't care about the price. Okay, so we made it back from the store. Let me fix my strap. I don't know why it's twisted up. Just made it back from the store. Got my Starbucks. Had to make a stop. Comment down below what your favorite Starbucks drink is. Mine is the white mocha latte. I couldn't even figure it out, but white mocha latte with extra caramel drizzle. Bomb. Yeah, so let me know what it is in the comments down below. And if you don't already, follow me on Instagram, Tramesse Nikole. Facebook, Tramesse Nikole. Pinterest, Tramesse Nikole. Just follow me everywhere. It's my name. You'll remember it. Thanks. So after the coffee break, we're gonna finish doing what we were doing. We got all the connects. Went to Lowe's, went to Ferguson's. The prices. Who knew plumbing could be so expensive? But it's cool, it is what it is. We got what we got. Yeah, so. We'll come back after the coffee break, okay? Ooh, lots and lots of cobwebs. And God knows what else. Who's up there? I'm sure this is a nice little mouse hideout. But we're just replacing this pipe here. This is the pipe that's leaving. Ooh, that thing is nasty. Looking, it gets worse all the way down.
Are you listening?
I'm listening.
All right. All I want you to do right now is just listen.
I'm waiting. Okay. So I'm just gonna hold the pipe. Oh, you said.
Push it back up.
I think so. Where I turn at?
Let me see. Okay, that's good.
It's not straight though.
All right, come on down.
Well, what?
Come on down.
I want to give you something.
You are. Watching and learning.
Acting like a kid.
Okay. Let me see how much that locked me off. If anything, moving it like that.
It should. I don't have it. So just hold it again.
Yeah, hold it again. You see my line up. You see what I mean by right?
Can you count down?
Huh?
Oh,
It
can
looks,
you?
Just don't worry about it.
Okay.
it looks
So
like
don't move it. Don't touch it yet.
Yeah.
So count me down or something.
I'll let you know.
Is this a mint? That's duct tape? No, that's duct tape together. When did duct tape together? Oh.
it looks like he's coming downstairs. It sounds like it.
We get in new pipes. We get in new pipes.
Look what she's doing. Your eyes are red. Oh.
So we're back in the store yet again for the fourth run today. We're back in the store. Now we at Home Depot. We done been to every hardware store today. We done went to Ferguson's. We went to Lowe's. And now we at Home Depot. It's about 7:30. We've been working on it since about 10:30.
Nail it. You can always use nail it.
It's all right. We'll get done in a minute.